Welcome back. So this is in the third chapter, like third unit in our DSA, and it says it involves three unique. That's it. That is stack, queues, and linked list. So the linked list is a very big thing to solve, but the other two, whatever the stacks and queues are there, they are very easy. Let us discuss further. First is stack. Stack, it is the overview. Now we are discussing the stacks overview with only. Okay, chalo. So the first one is a stack is nothing but a linear data structure that follows LIFO principle. So LIFO principle is nothing but last in first out principle, which means whatever is the last element is added or inserted, it will be the first element to be removed from the stack. Okay, and also inserting an element is called as push operation, and removing is also called as pop operation. Okay, next one is insertion and deletion will be happening in the one side of the stack. Means here somewhere, like assume this is the here only the deletion and the insertion is happening. So this is known as this drawing is known as top. It is happening in the top of the stack. Okay, next one is the stack is an operation which has time complexity. It has the constant time complexity. So these four are the overview of the stack. I hope you have understood. First is nothing but it is a linear data structure which follows LIFO principle. That's it, which means whatever the last is added, it is the first to be the eliminate from the stack or removed from the stack. Next one is nothing but it is a whatever the operation, whatever the element we are inserting, which is known as push, and removing is known as pop, and these deletion and insertion will be happening at the one side of the stack, which is at the top of the stack. And also stack operation have a constant time complexity. Now let us discuss some basic stack operation. That is nothing but push, pop, peak, is empty, is full, display. What are these means? Push, you all know, just now we have discussed this. Push is nothing but whatever is insert in the element, in whatever the insertion of the element at the top of the stack. Whereas pop is nothing but remove or return of the top element of the stack. Peak means it is very easy, whatever the stack is having some element, we will be removing only it, but without removing from the stack. Means removing whatever the top element without removing stack. We will not remove the stack, only we will remove the just the top element. That's it. Okay, next one is empty. Means check if the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, you can check with the is empty. And is full means stack is full. And also display means return the stack. Understood? This is the overview for our stack. I hope you have understood. Just let me minimize it. Yeah, that's it. It's coming only till here. If you wanted to note down, you can note down till here. Okay, done. So here we have the stack overview. Again, I'm discussing, revising twice, thrice. I hope you have no confusion. Okay, it is nothing but it is a linear data structure and it follows LIFO principle. That means nothing but whatever the last element is added, it is the first element to be removed. Second one is it is whatever the insertion of the element is called as push operation, and removing of the element is called as pop operation. And also insertion and deletion of the element takes place only one side, means one side only. That is called as top of the stack. Whereas stack is having the constant time complexity. And also here you can see that is basic stack operations, which are push means insertion, pop means removal of the element from the top of the stack. Only the peak is some confusing. You can just remember like removing only the top element without removing stack. That's it. Is empty means check if the stack is empty, and is full means stack is full, and display means return of the stack. Let's discuss about the implementation of the stack using list. Two types we have. Python is provides easy way to implement any stack. So that is by two types, append and pop. Append means nothing but used for push. Push means what? Adding any element or insertion of any element. Whereas pop means deletion or removing a top element. This is the simplest program. I'll discuss these programs in the next coming up the other videos. Okay, so next move on with our Q. This is says only about the program, that is these 2 pages. I'll discuss later. Let's discuss now about the application of stack. What is this application of stack? It has 7 types of stacks and like applications. It's very easy. First is function called stack in recursion. This means nothing but every function whatever is having, it has some call. Yes, so it is pushed on to the stack. It is pushed on to the stack, which is a function called stack. Whatever is there, it is pushed, it's insert in the stack. When the function complete, it is popped from the stack, means after the completion of that function it is removed or written. Helps in keeping track of function calls in recursive algorithm. This stack will be helping the function to keep the function calls in the recursive algorithms. Okay, now next one is undo redo functionality. Undo redo functionality has a basic easiest thing only, whatever we do in this now. Now suppose if I am writing like this, ma'am, like this, students, hi, I am writing. Okay, now if I wanted to undo it, I will do it like this, because lastly what I have written, that one, right? So down to here, whatever I have did, the I up dot dot, that has been removed. If I wanted to redo it, I'll put this option to redo it. Yes, so here it's nothing but you will be having action. Whatever the action is there, it is on to the pushed on to the stack, whereas undo means pop the last action, whereas push means action back. Sorry, redo means action back, undo means last action. Yes, example is you can see like this. So here is nothing but stack is hello. Now you can do it as stack. If I am doing undo, then only O will be removed. And again, if I want to redo, all will be fine. Same spelling. That's it. I hope you have understood. Yes. So let's move on to the next one is browse back forward navigation. Browse back or forward navigation. It has 2 buttons, back button and the forward button. Back buttons is nothing but move the current page to the another stack. This page is moved to another stack, not the matter also. Some students will think, okay, we are moving 6th slide to 7th slide. That is the not. This only this page to the another stack, which is called as back button. Whereas forward button, move the page back to the original stack. Move the same page to the original stack. That's it. So these are very commonly we will be using. Next one is expression evaluation and conversion. Expression evaluation used in evaluating postfix expressions. Postfix expressions to evaluate its postfix expression and converting infix expression to postfix. Yes. So here it is nothing but evaluating the postfix expression. Next one is converting infix expression to postfix. So evaluation means evaluating the postfix. Conversion means converting the infix to postfix. Next is balancing parenthesis in expression. Used to check if an expression has balanced brackets. It has any balanced brackets to check. Now suppose if I am writing one, it has nothing bracket. If I am writing like this, it checks that I have written the bracket or not. Okay. Next is memory management. It is nothing but used for managing memory allocation in the programming. Memory allocation is done in the programming or not, it will be managing. And also local variables and function calls are stored in the stack memory. Local as well as function calls are stored in the stack memory. Depth first search is DFS in graphs is nothing but use stack to transfer graphs. It is used to transfer graphs. The stack is used here in this. The stack is used to transfer the graphs. That's it. So in this session or in this lecture or in this video, we have learned this till this much from the starting. Oh, sorry, here stack overview, its basic operations. I hope you have understood these all. If any doubts are there, you can comment in the comment section. These programs I will discuss in the next video, and also we have discussed about these applications. So in this full session, I have discussed only with the stack. Yes, but I have not done with the program. The programs are very important in our DSA. I will be make sure to do these programs as quickly as possible. So hope you have understood this session. Give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching to the end.